Hey, it's Jen from Gold Nutrition. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jen. I'm a registered dietitian, the founder of Gold Nutrition, and a planning enthusiast. And today we're doing a recipe plan with me for Irish soda bread. So if that sounds good to you, then just keep watching. Okay guys, I'm excited to do a recipe plan with me. I have been wanting to put together a recipe planner just for the fun of it. I don't have that many recipes made yet. I did make one previously on this channel, and I'll link that video for you if you like those kind of videos. But I do want to make a recipe planner. I think that would be really fun, and I will be doing that in an upcoming video. If that interests you, then maybe you'd like to hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so you're notified of all my future uploads. Tonight, I want to make a recipe page for Irish soda bread. So this video should be going up on St. Patrick's Day, and every year at this time of year, my sister tends to make Irish soda bread, and it's just something I enjoy at this time. So I thought it would be nice to make a recipe page for it, and I have this dish to make Irish soda bread in that comes with a recipe inside it. So I thought it would be cool to record this recipe into the pages. So that's what we're gonna do. So I have two pages here because I can't decide. I can't decide which one I want to use. I'm gonna pull out some of the stickers and the pictures I printed that I intend to use, and I'll make a decision after comparing them to the pages. So first of all, I printed out a few pictures of Irish soda bread from Canva. I have the paid version of Canva, so I was able to do that. And I think that I like this one. I kind of accidentally cut this one a little bit too low, but actually it looks fine. I'm not sure. They're all kind of in play, but yeah, I'm not 100% sure which one. I'm kind of leaning towards that. Maybe that. We'll see. Then I have a bunch of stickers from Anna Being on a Mission. I had bought her Valentine's surprise. If you're on her mailing list for her website, then you get notified when she does these bundles. And there was a little section of some St. Patrick's Day stickers in there. So I have those. I didn't know if I would need it, if I'd want any numbers or anything, but I grabbed this, and it does, I think, have some. It does have those. I'm not sure if I'll use them, but I did grab it. This is the Happy Memory Keeping. I don't know if you can get it anymore. I actually kind of lucked out when I found it. I think I found it at Joann. But if you can, I'll link it for you. I am a Happy Planner affiliate, so if you click on a link and you make a purchase, I do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, and I really do thank you if you choose to do that. So I will link any Happy Planner products. I know for a fact that these recipe pages are not available anymore. Well, actually, I don't know that for 100% certainty, but I bought them quite a long time ago, and honestly, they're not my favorite, but I want to use them since I bought them. In the previous recipe plan with me that I did, I actually cut the top off and then kind of bougeoed a page with a dot grid page. But tonight I want to use one of these. I have a bunch of them. I want to use them. Now, this is not my favorite shade of green, but does go kind of nicely with some of these. But I also have this, which is like a peachy pink, and I have some different washies I also pulled. So I kind of thought this washi looked cute on this page. So it's a toss-up. I also have this green, which doesn't look that great. Well, actually, it doesn't look bad on here. It actually looks pretty. I'm kind of leaning towards this. I think I'm going to do this one. Okay. So I've got this picture, which could fit here. Now, actually, let me walk you through this page. It's directions here, then ingredients here, which honestly kind of throws me for some reason. I think I'm used to the layout of ingredients at the top and then directions, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to go with it. And then it says notes here, but I might cover that. And this is prep time, cook time, and how many people it serves. But depending on how the space goes and how I want to lay things out, I might cover that and just include that info over here. So let's play with the pictures. So do you guys like Irish soda bread? Let me know in the comments. And if you do, raisins or no raisins. I am a big fan of the raisins. Looking all that up, but no, I'm not feeling that picture. So I could put this here. It kind of cuts off a lot of the ingredient room though, doesn't it? I kind of like this one. It is too bad that I kind of trimmed it too short, but I don't think it looks bad. And yeah, and that would still leave me plenty of room. So I'm wondering, I think I'll white out that. Okay. Or we could full on go here and then punch it. I might do that because I kind of like the way it fits. I could trim this more here. I'm gonna grab my paper trimmer, just trim this just a hair. Be right back. Okay, I trimmed it down. It's not perfect, but I think I did pretty good. I'm going to glue it down because I feel like I need this piece in place first. So a lot of times I use Tombow mono adhesive, but I bought this Elmer's one at Michael's while I was waiting for my Tombow to come from Amazon one time, and I actually don't know where I put my Tombow right now, so I'm using this Elmer's, but I kind of like it. All right, so let's see. This is tricky. All right. Oh boy. Well, guys. That went down a little crooked, and it's not coming up, so I'll have to come up with a solution, that's all. I think I'm going to go ahead and title it. I've got a Paper Mate Flare here. Guess it could have been more centered. We'll take care of that too. Gotta roll with it, right? Okay. I'm wondering if I should write the words first, if it matters so much. Pulled the washi a little too tight. Sometimes it pulls your page like that, but I think it'll be all right. Okay. Well, I think that's cute. All right. So I think I am going to go ahead and write in the words and then see what room is left and take it from there. So I put these here because I was going to kind of center the directions. However, I misjudged and this one wasn't centered really at all. So I thought I'd balance it with stickers. So I wanted to see where that was going to fall before I wrote more. So now I'm going to go back to writing the directions. So now in hindsight, I wish I'd spaced this out better, but we're going to make it work. We're still going to make it work. So I'm going to take a look around and see if I have anything else that might work on here. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, don't know what happened, but lost a bit of footage there. So anyway, so I was trying to, fill in some of the space with some clover and things. So I think it just needs just a little more, and it's just going to be what it's going to be. To be honest, it didn't turn out quite the way I'd initially envisioned, but that's how it goes sometimes. And I feel like it's kind of cute. I feel like, that's how we learn and grow and improve, right? If you're watching, I love that you included these green hearts in here. I used them in that coffee spread, Do you guys follow me on Instagram by any chance? My planner account is Planning Gold, and that's where, I'd share this. All right, what do you guys think? Is it balanced? I feel like it needs something right there. So I punched it with my We Are Memory Keepers punch. The reason I use this and not the Happy Planner punch is because I thought with all the washi that maybe it would jam up the Happy Planner punch. But the Happy Planner punch does fine if you're just doing paper. And I do use it, but I really do like this guy, especially for putting stickers over your punches and maybe you just need to do 2 punches. I really like it for that. So this is it, you guys. It's cute, right? I mean, yeah, I have some learning to do in terms of these pages, and I am going to use it. And definitely, if you think you'd like to check out the setup of the recipe planner that I will put this in, then please consider subscribing, hit that red button down below, ring the bell so you get notified of when all my videos go up. And if you enjoyed this video, I would really, really appreciate it if you would like it. Give it a big thumbs up. That means so much to me. And that is going to do it for this one, you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.